What is up, guys and gals? Welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel. Anyway, today we're gonna be making a $400 all new part gaming PC. You guys asked for it, so today we're gonna be doing it. But hold on a second, there's a little twist to this. I'm not gonna be building the PC. We're gonna be doing it from the view of somebody who is building their very first computer, because that is exactly what this PC is designed for. Who is it gonna be, you ask? Well, let's roll the intro and you'll find out. Let's go. Surprise! Alex, of course, is the one that is going to be building the PC, because Alex, have you ever built a PC before?
No, I have not.
I know.
I am the chosen one.
This is the way. This is the way. Like if you were gonna start with one, let's just do it this way. If you were gonna start with any component here, which one is the first thing you're gonna start building with?
I don't know, I feel like I have to come look.
This is gonna be great.
All right, so these look like the fans.
Yes.
So those go in at the end.
Yes, you're totally blocking the camera. No one can see anything. There you go. Yeah, right there, you're fine.
These look like some weird knives.
Some weird knives. You heard it here. What do you think that is?
The graphics card.
Actually correct. She's not wrong. Good. One for three. Not bad. Okay, what else? No, it's not the first thing though.
Is this the data something?
Because it says ADATA on it.
Yeah.
Good one. It does hold your data. So she's what, 2 for 4? Yeah, that's not bad.
I don't know what this is. I feel like this is first. This is my guess.
Yes, you're right.
Is it really?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so
I will return to my.
okay, so come on back over. Come on back over.
Okay.
So this right here that you just got, this is the motherboard, and this is where we put pretty much everything into. So you've seen me do this in my videos before, right? You have seen my videos, right?
I mean, I like them all, but I don't really watch them.
Okay, anyway, so yes, this is the motherboard. This is where all of the parts.
The mother of the board.
The mother of all boards, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is where your CPU, your memory, your power supply plugs everything into this, and your graphics card even plugs in this. So this is the number one thing, okay?
So do we need any tools or anything for this?
Yes, actually, we do. I have a tool for you. Here you go.
That's for all of it?
That's all you need. Okay, so make sure you pull that out. Yep, just go ahead and be very careful with that and put it down right there in the box. Good deal. We're gonna put the CPU in first. That's the first thing we're gonna do. So go ahead and take that out. This is the fun part, guys. All right, let's see what you do here.
Oh gosh.
So remember what I said, these things are very fragile, so please be careful.
Great.
All right, so that right there, that is the chip, so be very careful with that. Yeah, don't open it yet. Just, yeah, set it off to the side, there you go. All right, and then, yep, that thing right there is gonna be your CPU cooler, so go ahead and pull that out too. You need both of those. Pull that out, and then that stuff on the bottom, that's thermal paste, so please don't touch that. So installing your CPU, Alex, this is gonna be really fun, guys. Okay, so here's your socket right here. So what do you think what would you do, just not even looking at it? What would you do?
Put this there.
How? Which way? Which way do you think it goes in?
That way.
That's actually very close. Wait, hold on. Let's show this. It's actually very close. Are you right? No, you're not right. Very close though. Okay. So there's one. Actually, wait. No. Hold on. Put it back.
The little gold things in there.
No way. Did you watch my video? Did you know that?
I don't watch your videos.
Did you really get that from my video, or did you
I
just
just
assume?
assumed that gold things go in the little dots.
Well, yes. Okay. So, but you actually did something right that you didn't even realize you did right.
No.
So turn it back the way you had it. See that little gold triangle right there?
Yeah.
That's what I thought you were talking about. That lines up with this triangle right here on the motherboard.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah. So you actually have it right.
Okay.
So yeah. So be very careful, please. Other way. Oh God.
Fine.
No, it's not fine. Oh boy. Alex, please be careful. These are expensive. Don't touch the top of it. Oh my God. Alex.
Stop, you're making me really nervous.
You're gonna, no, not yet, not yet. Hold it, okay. Yeah, hold it like that. There you go. You have to, not, you're getting ahead of yourself. You have to listen to me. Okay, so this little latch, pull it up, like, yep. There you go. That opens the socket, so make sure it's all the way back too. Okay, so now, all you have to do is just drop it in there. Don't legit drop it. Yeah, don't do that. But you know what I mean? Set it in there very gently. And then it should just go right in. Guide it in there. There you go. Look at that. I think you did it. Babe, I think you did it for your first try. Good job. That was a little scary. No big deal.
That's just a sticker.
That's just a sticker. You don't need that. So then, go ahead. Close this latch right here. Yeah. It'll be a little bit tight. There you go. And that's it. Ryzen CPU install. We got our 3200G in the motherboard. Very good. Good job. Okay, so the next thing, we need to install the CPU cooler right here. So to get to that and get that thing on, we actually have to take these things off right here. So I gave you a screwdriver. Just go into these screw holes right here. Be very careful. You might want to like hold the board with one hand, and then there you go. Just unscrew them and pull those things off. That's pretty much it.
So you plug it in first?
Yeah, you can go ahead and plug it in. Yep. So those, make sure you get all 4 pins in. Can't see your hand. Did you get all 4 pins in there?
Yeah.
No, yeah. Let's inspect it. Yeah, you got it. Okay, you're gonna set those right on top of where the screws go. Very good. Okay, so really what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to screw it down. So this takes a little bit of force, okay? But just be very careful. Make sure you hold this steady so it doesn't move around on the CPU a lot, because remember, there's that thermal paste on it.
Is that right?
Yep, so just get those started. Do one. Okay, now go to, no. This one, star pattern. Pro tip for all you guys too, always do everything in a star pattern, just like you would do it on the lugs on a car. So she's learning lots of stuff right now. So this one, you may have to press down a little bit more just to get that to adhere. There you go. Is it going in? Mm-hmm. Okay, so now you can go to this one. There you go. And then do a couple on that one, then go to the next one. Very good. Okay, we have a CPU cooler on. Very good. How you feel about that?
Good.
Feel good about it?
It's easy.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, we'll wait till we get to the next part. I'm just kidding. Okay, so next thing is memory. So where do you think that goes? Where do you have any idea where memory?
Both of these?
Yep, both those sticks. Where do you think those go?
Right here.
Where? Point to it again. Oh, you're so right. Did I tell you that?
No.
You're sure? I didn't tell you that.
I'm sure.
I don't understand how you're getting all these right. I feel like you watch my videos a lot and you're just not telling me. Okay, go ahead and you need to pop this open right here on both of them. There you go. And I think this is one of those motherboards that you don't have to do the other one. Nope, you don't. So yep, and you have it the right way. So
Sure.
you have it lined up, even pressure, push hard. There you go. See how it just snaps in?
I'm sweating.
It's okay. Yeah, there you go. You got that. Now do the exact same thing with the other one. She was struggling a little bit at first, guys. We cut that out.
Thought I was gonna break it.
There we go. There we go. Yeah, make sure you got it lined up. Make sure you got it all the way in there. And press down. There you go. Look at that. Didn't that feel good though?
That went a little bit easier.
Now that it snapped in? Yeah, that snapped in nice. Okay, so there we go. Now we got a complete motherboard pretty much assembled.
Done.
Oh, there goes the box. Those are really in there, aren't they? Jesus.
Fine. Everything is fine.
Everything's
fine.
Everything's fine. Look at that. It's the exact same thickness as an SSD cage, and it's magnetic. Love it. All right, welcome back. So what we did was we installed the kit of fans that we got. We put 2 in the front as intake, And then we used the stock fan that came with the case. We put it up top here as an exhaust. And then we put another one of our 3-pack fans as another exhaust.
As an outtake?
Outtake is fine. We usually call it exhaust, but outtake is that whatever.
Well, 2 are intake, 2 are outtake, right?
Sure. Yep, that's fine. Okay.
Okay, motherboard in.
Motherboard in, let's go. So yeah, just make sure, so see all those holes and see these little standoffs?
Yep.
Make sure it lines up with the standoffs. That's all you gotta make sure you do. And then see the...
They don't line up.
Which ones don't line up? The big holes.
Yeah, but this doesn't go over far enough, this one.
You have to push it over more. See?
It doesn't go over
Yeah,
more.
it does. So look at, see your...
It doesn't fit.
Line it up with your IO right there. It'll fit.
It doesn't fit.
It'll fit.
Oh.
Yeah. There you go. Look at that. That's in there first try. Look, check out your IO shield. Back here. Look at that.
My what?
See? Look. Your IO right here. Your input output. See? They're all in there perfectly. Nothing's hanging out. Nothing's pushing all weird. You did it right. Good job.
Thanks.
All right. Now screw it in. Look at that concentration. There you go. And see, there'll be some screw holes. Line those up. There should be one right there that you line up. There you go. Look at that. Very nice. So proud. Okay, so now that we have our power supply in, our cables are there, we got our front panel here, we need to make sure we do get our SSD in. So Alex, yep, she's dealing with that, trying to get that thing open. All right, get that screwed in and we got our SSD in. All right, and that is an SSD installed. Very good. Easy? Mm-hmm. Cool. Okay, so now that you got your SSD in, really the only thing left is to completely wire everything up. So all of the motherboard wires that we need, and then all of the front panel connectors that go to the actual case. So guys, we're gonna probably skip this part because yeah, it's tedious and it's gonna take a little while for me to teach her everything. So if you guys do want to actually know where every one of these connectors go, click the link up here, over here. And yeah, there you go, what she said. Click the link up in the top corner and go to that video guide that I made and it will show you where every single one of those connectors go. All right guys, everything's all wired up. Did you learn something?
Yes.
Yeah, so
Cable management.
I taught her a little bit. I mean, we did a bit of cable management. As you can see, it's actually pretty clean in this case. There's a lot of cable routing options and it's, for a budget case, this thing is awesome, you guys. I'd highly recommend it, especially for a first time builder. There's so many places to route your cables and it made it very easy, especially the big 24 pin, okay? It was very, very easy, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was very easy for her to do that. But yeah, I think the cable management, even in the case itself, looks good. Yeah, we're ready to install the graphics card. Again, if you guys are building the $400 version of this computer, you will not have this graphics card. This is the optional upgrade. But again, I just want to teach her how to do it, so that's why we're gonna do it in the video, so. And do the peel for the camera. There you go. Yeah, let's get that nice peel going. See if you can do it in one try. If you can get it all in one shot, you're a pro. This model of card is actually pretty difficult. Yeah, see? They made this one pretty difficult to do a full-on peel on it. There you go. Not bad. Pretty good. It's satisfying, isn't it? It is. Now you get it. It's kind of fun. So again, guys, we went with the 1650 Super on this build just because of budget, reasons for me and as well as you guys, for anybody building a PC of this type. Also, the 1650 Super that I got, this SC Ultra from EVGA, is a really, really awesome looking card. It even has a back plate on it. Some really expensive cards don't even have that. It's a really nice looking card. And I honestly was just very curious what kind of performance you get from a card at this price point. So really excited to see that and benchmark it for you guys in a later video. So there you go. Yep, the slot's in that silver slot right there. So make sure you get those, make sure you get these two things right here lined up. Yep, and line it up in the slot. Yep, and literally just push her in there. Do we get it? There you go. You had it. Nice. It's a satisfying sound, isn't it? Mm-hmm. We slotted our graphics card in. Cool. And all you can do is take those screws you took out and put them back in and hold the card in. And then, yeah, we'll kind of go manage a little bit. Yeah. Little finishing touch on the build, babe, and you're almost done.
Almost done.
Very cool. Oh, that's gonna sound so nice. Oh man. Satisfying, isn't it?
Yep.
Alright, Alex. Everything's done. Here's your remote for your RGB, so you can play with it when it's ready. What do you do next?
Turn it on.
Do you know how?
This little switch.
Okay. Yes. So first thing, make sure you're plugged in. Make sure you're plugged into the wall. Flip your switch. Make sure that's on. There we go. And do the honors. She thinks the remote control turns it on.
No, I did the switch.
There's one more button. Which button do you think you have to press? It's not back there.
Up front. This? Oh.
Wait for it. Oh man. Look at that. Very cool. Very cool. We got fans spinning. We got things turning on. Everything's spinning. Graphics card spinning. Yep. Yep. Very cool. I know she wants to turn it towards herself so she can see it. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Yep. And look at that. You got a little light right here too. I didn't even notice that. I guess the case does have a light on it. Very cool. Go ahead and press something on the here. Turn it like this so it doesn't have a glare on it. Press something on the remote real quick. Doesn't even matter. Press a button. See what it does. See?
Oh.
Pretty cool, huh? Changes colors. Oh, yeah, you can make it pink. Whatever you want. Yeah, that's gonna be it for the video, you guys. Alex, did you have fun?
I did have fun.
Yeah? You had a good time?
And it's pretty cool knowing I built this.
Yeah, you did. You built that entire thing. That's pretty cool. I'm very proud of you. Good job. I love it. Yeah, anything you want to say to the people before we sign off?
Follow him.
Okay.
Get him the subscribers.
That's right. So yeah,
it.
if you guys like the video and you guys like seeing stuff like this, and if you guys want to see more of Alex, make sure you guys give the video a like for sure. And then obviously if you want to see more computer builds like this or stuff similar to this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn the notifications on so you can be notified when the new videos and the new streams come out. But what are we going to do now? I'm pretty hungry actually.
Yeah, me too.
All this computer building worked me up an appetite, so we're gonna probably go get some food and watch some Netflix because, you know, we're quarantined, so that's all we can do right now. But anyway, see you guys later.
Stay safe, guys.
Bye.